So if you're like me, you've got these Meta Gen 2 glasses and you've got this charger, but you're trying to figure out a way to charge these on your desk instead of using one of these. Now personally, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I've used it for quite a while, but I have swapped out. And this is the charging dock for these AI glasses. Honestly, it's pretty badass. I've been using them for about 2 weeks now, and they've been charging my Meta glasses just fine, and they look aesthetically pleasing. So this is compatible with all of these Ray-Ban glasses. So if you have any of these, including the Gen 2s, they are compatible. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up and take a look at it. Empty packaging. This comes with a Type-C charger, just like that. And here comes this nice hefty weight charging docking station. It is actually pretty nice, honestly. And it's got a nice weight to it, which is very important because if you already have one of these, you know that they clip in. So this is how pretty much it's used. You put this on your desk, just like this, and you just clip your glasses on. Look how nice they look. And they just sit there charging your glasses. So for instance, once you have these connected, I've been having them up front connected, just like that, you'll see a pulsing green light indicating that it is charging. What I like about them the most is they look nice. They just stand there, right there, charging. You don't have to keep using this bulky case and the flap and such. You know, sometimes it comes in handy and sometimes it doesn't. If I'm moving around, if I'm traveling, they're cool. But I mainly, if you guys know my content, I mainly record up front where I record my customer interactions. So when I have my glasses on and I take them off, I just put them on this stand, getting them charged constantly, throw them on when I need them. When these are fully charged, it's just going to show you a strong indicator of a green non-pulsing light. So that's how they work, and easy peasy. Just like that. Now, in terms of how fast they charge, I had my Meta glasses just 2 days ago at about 18%. That was the lowest, and I was recording all day with them. And I threw them on this charger, and I want to say about 45 minutes later, they were at 100%. They charge relatively fast. So the charger is perfect for people that just want to charge on their desk. It's as a desk setup. It's aesthetically pleasing. Creators, we like to just take them on and off and charge it on the spot. Daily users, if you find yourself around the desk constantly, if you're a person that's usually in a position, it's a perfect product for you. But if you're always out and about and in your car, for instance, and such, honestly, just stick with the charging case. But otherwise, if you're making content, recording at home or on a desk, these are perfect for you. Now, the only con that I have with these is if you notice straight here, you can't just simply use one hand and pick them up. Now, sometimes you can, but it's not, you see? The only thing that you would typically need is just 2 fingers, just like that. Use your second hand to keep the base down. They already have weight on them, so to help remove the glasses easily, but you still kind of want 2 hands. So that's the only downside to them. They're convenient. So if you're like me and you wanted one of these, you can find these on Amazon for only $25. The link is in our description down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions on where to get them from. And these are the glasses. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we shall see you guys on the next one. Peace.